Hello and welcome back to Jacubication. Today we're going to go over the first 5 questions of an AP Computer Science A practice exam. Question 1. Consider the following method. Public static int mystery integer array int x equals 0, for int k equals 0, k less than r dot length, k equals k plus 2. Inside the for loop, x equals x plus the current array member you're looking at. So you're totaling up the array members you're looking at in the loop, and then at the end you're returning x. Assume that the array nums has been declared and initialized as follows. An integer array containing 3, 6, 1, 0, 1, 4, 2. What value will be returned as a result of the call mystery nums? So if you put this array into this method, what gets returned? Well, this method is adding up every other element of the array. So 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 7, so C. Question 2. Consider the class, public class, sum class, private int my A through C, public int get A, you return my A, public void set B, given the value, you set that to my B. This declaration appears in another class, sum class obj equals new sum class. What code will compile without error? You can right away throw out B and E because they make it seem like get A takes an argument, which it doesn't. You can throw out C because my A is private, and you can throw out D because get A is not a static method, which leaves you with the answer being A. Question 3. Consider the class, the same class from the last example. What change to some class will allow other classes to access but not modify the value of my C? A makes it so they can both access and modify. C would make it so they could access but they wouldn't be able to modify. D and E are nonsense, so the answer is B. Question 4. Consider the code int x equals 7, int y equals 3. If x less than 10 and y less than 0, print out value is x times y, otherwise print out value is x divided by y. What code is printed when this is ran? Well, x is less than 10, but y is not less than 0, so we'll print out x divided by y. This is 2 in some decimal numbers, but this is integer division, so the answer is just the 2, which means the answer is C. Question 5. Consider the method. You return an array list, and you pass in a number, and in this loop, every element in the array list you're adding is whatever the loop index is, squared plus 3. So it will be 1 squared plus 3, 2 squared plus 3, 3 squared plus 3, all the way up to whatever this number is. What is printed if you print the result of mystery 6? So 1 squared plus 3, that will be 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 squared plus 3, that will be 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 squared is 9 plus 3 is 12. 4 squared is 16 plus 3 is 19. 5 squared is 25 plus 3 is 28. 6 squared is 36 plus 3 is 39. So C is your answer. Ciao.